Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm showing you how to do a classic, elegant makeup look, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So today we're doing a classic makeup look, and that means eyeliner and lipstick. And I want to start with my lipstick, which is something I normally don't do. I normally do my eyes and then my lips. But today I want to start with the lipstick. I will be doing red lips because that is what's classic. So I want to go ahead and use a lip liner, and this one is from Primark, and it's the one, it doesn't have a name, it has a serial number. So AK002418-00. It looks like this. Now to achieve the color that I want, because I don't have it in a lipstick, I will be using two lipsticks. So I will start with the lighter color. So I will be using the Isadora Twist Up Matte Lips, which is number 62 Raving Red. That looks like this. And then I will take the Kiko Milano's 914. It looks like this. Now onto the eyes. So to achieve this makeup look, we are going to be needing two eyeshadow palettes. And I'm starting the first color with the Makeup Revolution's Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons. And I want to go ahead and use Castle, which is this one right here. And with this, I want to go and use a brown brush like this one. And I want to focus this in the outer corners of my eyes, bringing just a little bit up into my crease, but nothing too much, nothing too crazy. And then bringing it down to my lower lash line as well, but just keeping it out here. And then I'm taking my Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this, and then I'm blending the color. The next eyeshadow that I will be putting on is from Depend, and it's just eyeshadow palette. Doesn't say anything else. So I will be going in with this color right here, the gold one. And I will be using, I think, my finger for this, just because that will be easier. And I will be putting it on my lid until it meets the color. And that's why I like using my finger, because that will be, the finger will help it blend in with the color I already put on, but just all over my lid in the inner corner and outwards. And that is it with the eyeshadow. And then we want to frame our eyes and make it classic, so we will be putting on eyeliner. So I'm taking the H&M's Dipliner Ink that looks like this. And then you want to go ahead and curl your lashes. And then I will put on mascara, and I am putting on the Maybelline's the Colossal. That looks like this. And I'm only putting it on my upper lashes. So now it's time to set everything, and I am taking the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is what a classic makeup look looks like, and it's perfect for any event, and you can change the lipstick color to match your outfit if that's what you want. But the ideally classic makeup look has a red lip and a winged eyeliner, and you can make it as winged or as not winged as you want depending on your eye shape, and you can do mascara on your lower lashes if that's what you want to. You can even add a little bit of false lashes if you don't feel like you have enough lashes. There's so much you can do with this look, and it goes with anything in any event, and even for an everyday makeup. If you love wearing more than just mascara, then this can be something you can do. It goes for everything, and when I say everything, I mean everything. That is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!